In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an email address in iCloud Mail. If messages from someone you actually want to hear from have stopped showing up, there's a good chance the sender is on your blocked list. The good news is that Apple lets you manage blocked senders right from Mail settings on your iPhone or iPad, and it only takes a moment to reverse. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll until you find Mail, then tap it. Inside Mail settings, look for the Blocked section. This is where iOS and iPadOS keep a list of all email addresses and contacts you've chosen to block. Find the email address or contact you want to allow again. When you see their entry, swipe left on it to reveal the option to unblock and tap Unblock. That's it. From this point on, future emails from that sender won't be stopped by your blocked list. If the entry appears as a contact card rather than a plain email address, unblocking the contact removes the block for any email addresses tied to that card. There's also a quick alternative if you still have one of their emails in your mailbox. Open the message, tap the sender's name at the top, and then tap the name again to open their contact details. You'll see an option that says, Unblock this contact. Choose that, and you're done. This is especially handy when you spot a blocked banner on a message and want to undo it right away without digging through settings. After unblocking, keep an eye out for new messages from that sender. If their emails still seem to be missing, do a quick check in the junk folder, as legit messages can land there by mistake. It's also worth reviewing any mail rules or filters you've set up that could be redirecting messages, and make sure the sender wasn't manually marked as spam in the past. If you use Hide My Email, remember that messages sent to a private relay address might be filtered differently, so confirm you're checking the right inbox. Focus filters can temporarily limit which accounts show mail or send notifications, so verify that your current focus mode isn't hiding the message stream you expect. And if you've installed a third-party spam filtering app, open that app to see whether it quarantined the incoming message. That's all there is to it. Unblock from settings or directly from an email, double-check your folders and filters, and you'll be back to receiving those messages in no time.